give meanings, scriptures, sacred writings, renown, fame, defiance, ear, bold challenge, voice, to express something, exiled, sent away from the native country, predicament, a difficult, unpleasant situation, tight corner, a difficult situation, diffident, not confident, outwit, proved to be cleverer than, protocol, an official procedure, benign, kind and gentle, reward, respected, acknowledgement, acceptance, palanquin, an ancient box-like structure to transport one person and carried by 4 to 6 people with the help of two long poles. Taken aback, shocked. Answer the following questions. What announcement unawed the courtiers and pandits? Pandit Shahane had come there to challenge all the pandits in the kingdom. This announcement unawed the courtiers and pandits. What suggestion was proposed by the first scholar? The first scholar, with the permission of the emperor, proposed to call Tenali Raman to find a solution to their problem. What was the condition put forth by Tenali Raman? Tenali Raman put forth a condition to make him the chief Pandit of the empire. How did Mantriji introduce Pandit Shahane? Mantriji introduced Pandit Shahane as the most revered and honored master scholar of the ancient scripture, the pride of India. How did Tenali Raman make his entry to Emperor's court? Tenali Raman was carried on a palanquin. Two pandits were following him, carrying a huge bundle of silken cloth. In this way, Tenali Raman made a royal entrance into the court. What scripture did Tenali Raman wish to debate upon? Tenali Raman wished to debate upon the merits of Tila Kashta Mahesha Bandhana. Why was Pandit Shahane defeated? When Tenali Raman told Pandit Shahane to discuss the merits of the scriptures of Tila Kashta Mahesha Bandhana, Panditji failed to understand it. Pandit Shahane had read thousands of scholarly works in Sanskrit, but he had never even heard of Tila Kashta Mahesha Bandhana. He walked up and down in deep thought and gave up. Finally, he considered defeat and accepted Tenali Raman as the greatest of all scholars. What explanation did Tenali Raman give about the name of the strange scripture? Tenali Raman told the emperor the meaning of Tila Kashta Mahesha Bandhana. Til meant sesame, Kashta meant sticks or stems of sesame plants that were held in his hands, and Mahesha meant a buffalo, and Bandhana meant rope used to tie up something. How did the emperor and courtiers react? The emperor and courtiers laughed when they heard the meaning of Tila Kashta Mahesha Bandhana. Read the following words and use them in sentences of your own. Renown. The chief guest at an annual function was a man of great renown. Defiance. The protesters showed their defiance of the official ban on demonstrations. Exiled. Several of the leaders were arrested and exiled to France. Predicament. Many young people find themselves in this predicament. Diffident. The Neanderthals seemed unexpectedly gentle and diffident people. Benign. The 18th century interior of the building has survived through benign neglect. Read the following phrases and use them in the sentences of your own in proper form. Voice something. A number of parents have voiced concern about their children's safety. A tight corner. The mark of a man is how he behaves when he is in a tight corner. Outwit. The fox managed to outwit the hunter by hiding in a tree. Concede defeat. Nepal considered defeat and returned all the treasure they had plundered. Pick out dialogues of Tenali Raman that prove that he had the following qualities: wit and wisdom. So this is the Tila Kashta Mahesha Bandhana. Self-confidence. Let us begin by discussing the merits of Tila Kashta Mahesha Bandhana. Politeness. I have one small request. Humility. Your words of praise are my greatest reward, Your Highness. Answer the following questions in short. What was Pandit Shahane's claim as a scholar? Pandit Shahane's claim as a scholar was that he had mastered all the scriptures. Why did Pandit Shahane visit Vijayanagar? Pandit Shahane visited Vijayanagar to challenge the knowledge of all the Pandits in the kingdom. What do you learn about Pandits of Vijayanagar? The Pandits of Vijayanagar were frightened and nervous when their knowledge was challenged. They were insecure and did not have confidence in themselves. What punishment did the emperor threaten the Pandits with? The emperor threatened the Pandits that they would be exiled from Vijayanagar if they were not able to win debate with Pandit Shahane. Why was Tenali Raman summoned to the court? Tenali Raman could certainly find a solution to the predicament, so he was summoned to the court. On what condition did Tenali Raman agree to take up the challenge? Tenali Raman agreed to take up the challenge only if he would be accepted and honored as the chief Pandit. Why was Tenali Raman taken to the court in a palanquin? Tenali Raman was taken in the court in a palanquin because he had demanded that he should be given the honor and respect of the chief Pandit. How did Tenali Raman outwit Pandit Shahane? When the debate started, Tenali Raman began by discussing the merits of Tilakashta Mahesha Bandhana. This was a difficult praise for Pandit Shahane. He had read thousands of scholarly works but had never heard such a praise. So after pondering over the praise for a long time, he gave up and accepted defeat. Thus, Tenali Raman outwitted Pandit Shahane. What did the bundle in silken cloth contain? The bundle in the silken cloth contained stems of sesame plants and some rope used to tie buffaloes. Explain the significance of the title. The theme of the skit is the challenge to see whether Tenali Raman could outwit the proud Pandit Shahane. This was the battle. The way to win this battle was to baffle, that is, confuse the Pandit. Hence, the title, A Battle to Baffle, is apt. Fill in the elements that you find in the drama script of A Battle to Baffle. Characters, background scene, crisis, steps taken to resolve the crisis, climax, the end. Characters, Krishna Devaraya, Mantriji, Tenali Raman, Pandit Shahane, 8 to 10 other courtiers, ministers, scholars. Background scene, in the courtroom of Krishna Devaraya, the emperor is seated on his throne. Courtiers, ministers and scholars are seated in two rows facing one another and discussing softly. Crisis. A great scholarly Pandit, Pandit Shahane, has challenged the knowledge of the Pandits of Vijayanagar. The Pandits of Vijayanagar are not ready to face this challenge. Steps taken to resolve the crisis. Tenali Raman is sent to find a solution to the predicament and to pull them out of the tight corner. Climax. Tenali Raman, with his sheer wit, manages to outwit the renowned Pandit Shahane and make him concede defeat. The end. Pandit Shahane concedes defeat and leaves. Tenali Raman is praised by the emperor for saving the reputation and honor of the great empire. Everyone is relieved and happy that the crisis has ended. Who has directed? Tenali Raman proved to be wittier than Pandit Shahane. Rewrite using as witty as. Pandit Shahane proved to be not as witty as Tenali Raman. Pandit Shahane has come here. He wishes to challenge all the Pandits in our kingdom. Combine the two sentences using so. Now combine the same sentence using because. Pandit Shahane wishes to challenge all the Pandits in our kingdom, so he has come here. How can I discuss its merits? Make it assertive. I cannot discuss its merits. I have not read that scripture. Rewrite using unaware. I am unaware of that scripture. The words of praise are my greatest reward. Begin the sentence with no other. No other reward is as great as your words of praise. I am proud of you. Rewrite using the noun form of the underlined word. I have pride in you. The emperor said, but tell me, Raman, to what great work did you refer? Convert into the indirect speech. The emperor asked Raman what great work he had referred to. Tenali Raman was a poet, scholar and jester in Vijayanagar in Krishna Devaraya's court. Punctuate. Tenali Raman was a poet, scholar and jester in Vijayanagar in Krishna Devaraya's court. Mantriji said Maharaj Pandit Shahane's visit to our court is an open challenge. Punctuate. Mantriji, said Maharaj, Pandit Shahane's visit to our court is an open challenge. A past student of your school has cleared his UPSC examination and being an IAS officer has been appointed the collector of your district. Write a formal letter to invite him to your school to share the story of his success at a special function. Students have to read this formal letter writing on their own. Understand the quotation and expand it in a paragraph format. Write goes on horseback but returns on foot. Students have to read this an expansion of idea on their own.